Good morning, everybody. Welcome to American Dream Trading's. I almost said the other market. Welcome to American Dream Trading's live training. I'm your host Dawn, aka J&J Video Reacts, and this is our live training session with stocks and options. Welcome. If you've never been here before, we are a company that was formed by Chad Christian, who is a 34-year stock market vet. And he literally has traded in every market condition imaginable, and he trains us to do the same things. We do a live training every morning here from 9 to 11, and then we have our futures training from 2 to 4, and then we go live again from 4 to 5 or 6 in the evening with a show called The Aftermarket. So we go live 3 times a day to give you training, education, and none of us are tax or financial advisors, but we are educating you and giving you live training on how to trade in the stock market. If you would, over there on TikTok, please double tap those screens, and please also hit the like on YouTube, share the content out, subscribe, and that way we can get Coach to 20,000 subscribers. We're trying to move the needle on that. If you are looking to learn how to day trade, January 22nd, let's start your day trading journey. We're giving a live workshop that's going to be held at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and we will instruct you on how to get there and get the link for that. But that's going to be a very exciting class. And if you have ever wanted to learn about day trading, you don't need a lot of money. You don't need to have experience. Coach has literally created over 16 millionaires from people that had no day trading experience and retired hundreds of people from their 9-to-5 job just with his simple strategies. So, come on, join the workshop and get your learn on. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Zoom call. We are doing this via live Zoom, and Coach is one of the only coaches to do that. Everybody say good morning, everybody. All right. There you go. So we got everybody from everywhere, right? So I can, Bruno, you want me to share the screen now, or how do you want to do that? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and share the screen with our operations manager, Bruno. He is going to go through some of the stocks and go through the training with us. So give me 2 seconds. Yep.
Mute the call and also listen to the stream. So when you hit share screen, audio's got to be shared so that way they can hear the Zoom participants.
Yep.
Let me know when that's good.
I hit it. Yep.
All right, cool. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of American Dream Trading Live. We are live on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, all of the things, MySpace as well. So today we'll reviewed our hot stock picks this morning. We had a couple of runners out of the gate. So we had some really nice moves. Another stock to look at today, if you take anything away, is DJT. Had some news. We know it's Trump Media Technologies. Did have a run up to 1345 this morning in the pre-market. The news did hit around this time here. So something to look at today's DJT to see if it's going to have a little bit more oomph behind it. Some other hot stocks that we had, ANGH. We'll share that with everyone live today on the all in all social medias. Normally these hot stock picks are selected or handpicked for our paid members, premium members, VIP Gold, Diamond, etc. So we'll get that list pumped out to everybody around 8 o'clock in the morning, but they start working them as early as 4 a.m. So that is what our VIP membership gives you access to, and parts of everything else that we have, but it will give you access as early as 4 a.m. to review the hot stock picks and work through that list. So we have ANGH, NCL is on there as well, but it's been creeping up slowly. But the volume on this bad boy is about 20 million in volume. Free float is about 6.75. million. And then we also have ORIS, ESHA, and AFKJ was a banger yesterday. So if you notice, it's up about 31% in the pre-market. Yesterday was up 89%. This is a stock that started around 45 bucks and it's almost tripled in value. So it's currently trading at 109 bucks. It might be a little bit steep for some people, but there's always areas of opportunity to make some money, especially in these hot stock picks. We've already went over the pre-market levels like we do every morning for our paid members at 8:45. Apple, we had 273.25 to the upside, 273.50. Again, that's another perk of our memberships is we're looking for key critical areas to have potential to either downside or upside. But Apple, for my VIP Gold members, we reviewed it yesterday. In terms of the criteria, what we look for in the pre-market, we have a nice little run up. Do we have an EWO forming on the 2-minute? We train on the EWO strategy. We do scalping and EWOs and long-term tradings and swing tradings and all those things. But for day trading, we're either EWO or we're scalping. Those are the two main principles that we have here at ADT. So at the open for Apple and any other stock, if you see a nice little run up, always, I want to say always assume, but always look for that take profit at the open to see if if people are, they're satisfied with that run up. There's always a possibility that they might take some profits at the open. Okay, so that's something to look out for. But going across the board with these pre-market levels, like I mentioned before, you should always have pre-market high, pre-market low, and then previous day high, previous day low. Apple yesterday, 274.08 was the high. You could see that wick there on the 2-minute candle. But it magically was in line also with the very next day or the very previous day to that. So 274.36. Apple's been in this weird funk, and it could be just, there might not be that much, well, there isn't that much volume coming into this thing. Yesterday, I saw Apple was like 7 million in volume as it trickled in. Right now, it's at 45,000 in the pre-market. But on average, Apple gets about 45 million, the last 3-month average, 45 million in volume. So the volume isn't there. So I really don't care what these gurus are saying out there because I've been seeing a lot of, either ads and videos about how, oh, your trading community is telling you not to trade and this and that. And I said this the other day. But if the movement isn't there, there's a lot of things that are affected, right? So especially when you're trading contracts on these things like Apple or any other stock for that matter, your contract prices are drastically affected. If there's no volume and there's no volatility, there's no implied volatility, the contract prices will suffer. And what that means is what you used to be. Watch your mic, please. What you used to do is you used to be able to bang out contracts, at a very fast rate, especially at the open if you're a seasoned trader. But if you are lagging in volatility, you might not get that oomph. So those plays that you might have on a 2-minute EWO, they might not last very long because especially if Apple's been in this weird chop zone. If you look at a 5-day average, you could see Apple's been just really been inside of this little area on a bigger time frame on a 5-minute chart. You can see that there's not really much upside potential, not even much downside potential. And we're talking EWO strategy, not talking about scalping. So you have to keep that in mind. So going into the Christmas week and then also finishing off the year, again, volume might not be there. So that's a factor. If we don't have the volatility, we might not have the drive for these contracts. And then when things go sideways, I can promise you, it will take your contracts will take a hit, especially if you're on the call side. So if you're not further away from that strike price that you've originally set in to be, it's going to take a hit regardless of, if there is no volume and it does decide to go sideways, you're going to have problems with these contracts. So if there are trades that need to be made, in this case, I mean, obviously trade the trade and don't hold on to a bias and let it kind of do its thing. But if you see that it's losing its momentum, losing its power to either direction, or whether it's consolidating or resisting or whatever direction, I'm talking either up or down, Don't hang out in trades too long thinking that, well, this might find support here and continue to the upside. Again, today's a different day, always a different day. We never want to hold on to a bias. All right. So we got less than 15 minutes till the bell. As always, I'll be looking at Apple on the 2 minute, looking for an EWO entry. With that also in mind, keeping also everything that I just said in mind as far as these weird kind of moves and the lack of luster in the market. So, and if we obviously get any news-driven events, then of course that you might have some stocks that might perform a lot better than the overall market. So, these are all things. These are all things we have to take a look at. All right. So, with that being said, 33 viewers over on TikTok. Make sure you smash that like button if you're joining us. Hopefully the audio is good. I haven't had any moderators report back. I do see some things with Dawn with the stream. We have test as our description. That was from yesterday. So we'll fix that on the next one. But yes, please smash that like button, share it out. If you're interested in joining us, americandreamtrading.com. That is our website. We are hosting a workshop class next month, January 22nd at 4 p.m. That will be starting your day trading journey, learning about day trading, what it is, what are some things to look out for, how to get started. That is going to be totally free to anyone that wants to attend. Of course, you have to go to our website that I just mentioned before, click on that yellow button that you see right as soon as you pop in. That will take you over to WAP, which is one of our providers for our products, where we host our products and services if we have them. And then from there, you're able to select the button and then check out. And that will give you a free Discord role that will bring you into the Discord. And then the access will be inside of the Discord. So when you do sign up, just be patient. January 22nd, the link will be posted. And for all our paid members that we have, from premium to original lifetime, from OG lifetime status to VIP gold to diamond, you all are diamond, VIP to diamond will all have access, and also premium and original lifetime will have access to the workshop class. More details will come out. I'll let everybody know where the link will be posted. It's going to be in the free. I'm going to probably post it across the board in multiple channels, so that way everybody can attend. But be here if you wanna attend. Just sign up for that free membership, and we'll get you started over on the Discord, and then we'll release details as it comes. Promotions. So currently, if you want to get started with us, premium memberships monthlies are 125s, 125 per month. We also have 6-month and yearly on that. And then we also have the VIP membership. If you purchase 1 year of VIP membership, which also gives you access to all of our workshop classes, our hot stock picks, our IPOs, all of the things. I'm just going to run right through this and not take a breath. So you can sign up for a yearly VIP membership, $2,500. You'll get access to the gold. This is for new members only. And if you sign up, it will give you the 1 year of gold. That's a $2,500 value. Normally those two packages together will run you about $5,000 a year. And a lot of times, if you divide that amongst how many days you have in a year, that's probably as much as going out to McDonald's every day and purchasing McDonald's Big Mac meal. So you got to look at the cost over time, right? Especially when you purchase a yearly membership. So, and that includes, again, the gold add-on is $2,500. The VIP is $2,500. That would make it $5,000. You get both of those for $2,500 for the year. Diamond lifetime memberships. It is the newest, latest, and greatest. It gives you access to all of our memberships, from premium, VIP gold, futures, and crypto. Over here, we don't really talk much about futures. I know Coach sometimes trades ES on the screen, and we have in correlation to SPY. But we do have a futures section, which is not, people are not on the call that are trading futures. But if you are interested in more in futures, you can go over there and also sign up for a $2,500 yearly membership to futures. And that will give you also a year of futures VIP access, which gives you access to the Sunday class or the Sunday trading, and also our newsletter, our futures newsletter as well, that comes out on Sunday. So if you're interested, let us know, communicate with us. And communication wise, we will never send you a friend request. We will never DM you on Discord. We will never send you a DM on TikTok. Those are all fake accounts. We will never ask you how your trading is going. We will also never ask you to trade crypto and to mirror trades. Okay, that is not us. So if somebody starts reaching out to you and it looks like a member from ADT, none of us are doing that. So if we need you, we'll contact you on the Zoom call, or we'll find you inside of our Discord and we'll open up a help desk ticket. And the same thing applies for Discord as well. We will never friend request you. We will never ask you how you're trading. Coach is extremely busy and he's not doing that. So a lot of times they'll try to fake accounts from the outside and send you a message to try to scam you. We don't want people to get scammed. So a message goes out 3 times a day on our Discord, warning people, but don't fall for the traps. And another thing, it also doesn't have to be Coach. There's a lot of other competitors that have fake accounts as well. They'll come in here and they'll start plucking people and start sending messages to you as well to try to see how you're trading, and also try to scam you, right? So don't fall for any of that crap. We have a live Zoom call. We have a live, or our Discord is always open. Communicate with us and we'll get a hold of you that way instead of sending you DMs and friend requests. That's why we avoid that altogether. All right, we have 7 minutes, under 6, almost 6 minutes now to the open. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my 2 minute for Apple. And let's take a look also at SPY. SPY also had a really nice run up and if you notice here, 687.77 was the high, but right below that 687.85, which I already let our members know, yesterday was a struggle to get up above that. But I also have a line marked out at 688. So these 3 lines, but these 2 are what I'm more concerned with. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and mark this one as a gold line. 688, I've seen that come into play many times. And then 687.85 yesterday was a struggle and it got really damn close to it, right? So we're going to look to see what that's going to give us at the open as well. They're already starting to kind of slowly take some profit here in the pre-market. And yeah, so heed that warning. I'd like to see it, get above that 688. I think that's what our pre-market levels is mapped out. I think I said 687.85, but I'd prefer to see it above 688. All right, that's to the upside on SPY. All right, fellas and ladies and gents, are we ready to crush this market? And that's for my Zoom users and also anyone listening at home. These guys excited?
Let's do Locked in and ready.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
There's that excitement that I like to hear.
You can do it.
Big pull back on Apple here. They're waiting. They're not even waiting for the bell. So these are the criterias we look for. And I see TikTok just went down. We'll bring it back up. And that's why we try to get that other stuff situated, because we really got to fix that. But I'll bring it back up here shortly. All right. So Apple's not even waiting for the bell. They're already taking some profit before the bell. But remember, my gold members, what we talked about, we'd like to see our stuff lined up the way we'd want to see it, followed by our EWO. It did flip to red, but that candle, of course, is going to give you that. So we're going to see if this is, if they take that profit before the bell, and then what kind of action we can get. Please do not get trapped up at that 273.50 and the 273.25. If you have everything kind of lined up and the stars are aligned, it's a lot better than having your indicators all over the place and slammed on top of each other, right? So we have that momentum, had that momentum going into the pre-market. So we got about 4 minutes now to the bell. Let me make sure that we are back on. We are back on TikTok. Apologize, everybody over on TikTok. Unfortunately, that's the thing we're going to have to deal with for right now. Look at that candle on Apple. Ooh, Nelly. So Apple gang's getting done over there in the Apple chat. Let's see. Yep, chat is live. I'm ready to go. Let's see what else we got going on. Yep, AMD had a nice little run up as well with a nice little pullback. 1605 I have marked 216.50 as well. And then that 215 and then 214.15 down below as well. Got some levels marked out as well. You don't have to overcomplicate things, having way too many lines on your chart, but at the same time, you got to know your key areas of support and resistance.
Did I hear you say I left test on there? Could have sworn I replaced that with live training.
It's showing up test, which I can update that.
Yeah, because I saw that and I erased that. That's weird. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, it might have came up maybe. No, I think it's all replaced on all across the board. So, all right. So now we got 2 minutes, 10 seconds to the bell.
Guys, don't forget, volume is low, so nobody get chopped up. Don't try to see trades where there are none, because that would tend to happen when there's low volume and you really want to trade. It's okay. Be okay sitting on your hands today. It's like one of our members, Johan, was saying earlier. Be okay with sitting on your hands today. If it's not a trading day, then it's not a trading day. That just means it's more time to train, right? And hone it in for the new year.
You keep going, Dawn. I'm just gonna get a bottle of water real quick.
Yeah.
That tired me out for a second.
Yep. But yeah, all you have to do is make sure that you are watching your levels and waiting for proper setups, which may or may not happen today because of the time of year that it is. So, all you got to do is relax and wait for your setups. What time we got here? Yep, we still got 2 minutes till the bell.
1 minute. 1 minute to the bell.
Yep,
1
it is
minuto.
now 1 minute to the bell. Countdown to the last trading day of 2025. Are you guys stoked?
Woo-woo!
What? 45
I feel some
seconds.
kind of way about Nana, man. Where's Nana been? Nana, are you listening?
Yeah, we need to
I'm
do
here.
a wellness check on
I'm
everybody.
here.
Her cat
Hi,
having
baby.
issues.
We got to
I'm
do a
here.
wellness check.
You're a
He's
part of our
been back
live.
home since 11 yesterday.
Oh, wow.
He's better, way better.
That's good.
What about
All right.
It's a
Richard?
good scare.
Richard around?
Richard is not feeling well yesterday and today. 15 seconds
Sorry
to the
to hear
bell.
that. Sorry. to hear
2 minute EWO on Apple is now turned back on. Remember what I say, and well, I want to say do as I do, but here we go, folks. 9:30 bell is open. Market is open. Let's have a good day. All right, I'm going to try to capture Apple here while these prices are somewhat manageable. So before these candles erupt, of course, there's a risk involved. But we're going to see what we can do here. And I'm going to try to load in 25 ready to go. If this pulls back on me, then it's going to cost me dearly, right? So let's see what we can get. If we can get a nice little pop. They had the sell-off at the open. And if you have any call outs, let me know. It's on its third EWO to the upside. 230, 273.50 is what I'd love to see it come kind of get above it and break above it. All right. And I don't want to make sure that I don't pay dearly for this. So the drive, the EWO is there. Volume came in, but now it's kind of struggling. You can see it's struggling. Indicators are not positioned where VWAP opened up. But we know VWAP, when it opens up at the open, it some slightly jacks up a little bit because the volume is different in the pre-market.
Tesla to the downside on the 200.
Tesla to the downside. Thank you. Make sure when you're done speaking that you don't have an open mic, please. Mute yourself and then come back.
Meta is also to the downside.
All right, Apple. What you got, Apple? All right, there's 25 is going right now. There's $1,000. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate my stop for the rest of the 25 that I have. I'm going to protect my initial investment. And you could see where my stop is positioned way down here. So I'm going to move this up 155. There we go. The candle closed above or opened up above 273.50 on Apple. For all of you listening at home, it is delayed. So remember, there's an advantage of having a live Zoom call. I don't need this to fall back on my face here, but I would like to say above VWAP and also 273.25. Remember, Apple likes to do this the last couple of days. So if there's not enough drive volume and stuff, we're gonna have some suffering going on. So let's see if we can get a little bit more out of this. If not,
Tesla is on a double bottom.
Tesla on we got a coach came in here yesterday and told us about the bottoms. So we got to be careful with using the pre-market here as a bottom. So right now Tesla's pulling back to the downside. It's not a personal attack on you, Nana. It's just he came in yesterday. We had the same situation on Nvidia, and it was in the pre-market. So he doesn't really want to call these out until we actually see a true double bottom, maybe from previous day or something like that. So if you missed this conversation yesterday, he came in to correct somebody. And I just got stopped out on Apple. So you see how that can turn quickly against you if you're not careful. So let's see what we got here to the downside on Apple. But I'm going to wait now patiently. I want to see it exit this channel. I do not want to be chopped up inside this channel, right? Unless I'm scalping. And Tesla, from yesterday, we had this area here, which if that's what she was referring to, then yes. Then that is a double bottom. But using the pre-market, he does not want that. So
SPY continuing to the downside.
all right, Apple now is pulling back. We are below a VWAP, but I am going to patiently wait. I'm going to look at on the put side of things, set myself up for success. 275 is my strike that I prefer to be in the money, but I'm going to wait here. I can queue it up and have it ready to go, but I'm going to wait before executing this. I do not want to get caught up inside this channel.
SPY is on its second 2-minute EWO to the downside. But it is at a level, so please be careful. Nanny, you got any levels for us on SPY?
Looks like it found support on yesterday's low.
Thank you.
On SPY, you're gonna have resistance at VWAP since the night is also there, and it's also 687, so be aware of that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be strong resistance right there. Bingo.
Second red EWO on SPY to the downside.
Oh, that thing didn't miss on SPY.
Come on.
Watch your mics, please. Do not want to have an open mic. Call outs are okay. Open mics are not, please. Thank you. SPY continuing to pull to the downside. Now you got a third EWO to the downside.
First red EWO on Saxel.
Thank you. David called out 272.75 for the Apple chat. 272.75. It needs to hold. Needs to hold that level, or else his upside is going to dissipate. That's how I read it. That's going to be his all total out. And Soxel first red. Thank you. On the 2-minute EWO, you got the 200 sitting right, well, not right below it, but approaching the 200 here shortly.
Nvidia's on a double bottom from the high from yesterday.
Thank you. Was once resistance, now becomes support, right? Apple's hanging out at that 200 on the 1-minute and 2-minute. So be careful here. Inside of that pre-market channel. SPY at the 200, but the EWO is still in full swing for SPY. But you're at the 200, so please be careful. Next events, or not really an event, but it's shift change at 10, and then 10:30 is another set of numbers, but gas and oil stock prices and imports as well. So that's not really major till 10:30. Nothing on that list is major, so. SPY is continuing to pull down.
Wait for confirmation for 686 on SPY.
Trying to see if we can get the bounce here on SPY, but it's still pulling right on the 1-minute, still pulling back. I don't see any brakes being pumped just yet. And this is why I waited, right?
Bruno, now that you're quiet, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. I'm gonna take a day, so everyone
Sounds
have a
good, Dave.
great.
Thanks for all your participation. We appreciate you, buddy, and see you in 2026. All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Dave.
Thank you, Dave.
Dave.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Dave.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Thank you
Year.
very much, everyone.
All right. So I'm gonna see if I can scalp this off of a bounce here. If not, I'm gonna pay dearly for it. But let's see if we can get something out of this. Contracts in the money, 686. Sitting on the 200. Candles are starting to slow down a little bit. If I see a continuation here, but then, like I said, if it drops below any further, then I'll have to exit my position. But let me see if I can get some support here. If not, I'll be in a lot of trouble, but we'll see. Again, this is not an EWO play. It's not looking good for SPY to the upside in terms of the bounce scalping. We shall see. If not, I'm gonna have to vacate my position.
Bruno, the cues are looking very heavy, which they pretty much directs SPY to a degree, a large degree.
Yeah, I'm still alive here for a second. If I can get this back to the 21 at least, then I can recoup. But if it does not, then I'm going to have to actually, let me put in a stop now.
Yeah, the cues rejected off the 9 pretty hard.
About 90. Yeah, there's strong momentum on SPY, man, to the downside. It's a big old candle.
I know a fellow named Palm that probably loved that.
Sure would. He'll be back after the New Year's. He's taking some much needed time off, so we'll be
Meta's
happy
also.
to see him.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Meta's
Go ahead.
also pulling to the downside.
Meta.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out.
IWM's in a downtrend too. Just saw it. It's been in an EVO for a few minutes.
WM to the downside as well. Thank you.
I have 685 as a major support for SPY.
Yeah, I was about to say it's approaching a double bottom.
This is correct, and it's gonna be a double bottom from pre-market level.
685.
Nvidia's at yesterday's high, waiting for indicators to turn around and go back to the upside.
Check, 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 check.
Loud and clear.
Good
loud and
morning.
clear.
Checking to the microphones.
Check it, check it, check it.
Morning, Coach.
Check, check, check,
Good
check,
morning.
check.
Check is in the mail.
Happy
Good
New Year.
morning. Thank you. Happy New Year. Is everybody signed up for our giveaway today? Woo! I'm excited. Are you guys ready for that wheel of cash?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody,
Let's do it.
everybody that's in this Zoom, you guys are all signed up for our cash giveaway at the end of the live show today, right?
Go.
Oh, wait a minute. What? You guys all know we're giving money away today, right?
Where is the link?
I didn't know.
Didn't see
wait a
How do you
minute.
sign up?
You guys didn't know we're doing a cash giveaway at the end of the live today?
No.
No, I came in late.
No.
Oh boy. Moderators, are you guys in the room?
We
Are you listening to this? How's that possible?
I see you posted something in the.
I'm
Traders
looking at the lounge and it doesn't say anything about that.
Traders
It does.
Lounge. Traders
It's
Lounge.
everywhere. It's all over the Traders Lounge. And then if I post it in the Traders Lounge, my 20 moderators will go into my Zoom session and say, hey, there's a cash giveaway going on today at the end of the live today for everybody who followed the coach's orders and clicked that share button on the live and then went into the Traders Lounge and said, done. Cash giveaway at the end of our live stream today. Let's get some engagement going today. Let's get some conversations going today. Let's get some super sales going today. Let's give away ass loads of money today. Let's go into 2026. All amazing. Love your faces. I'm going to go shoot a bunch of my pew-pews. I got about 87 pew-pews in the back seat, and I'm ready to go pew-pew because I can't say it on a live. Love your faces. I'm out. See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya. See ya. Good luck. I hope everybody makes $1 million today, and good luck on everybody for the giveaways today. See ya.
All right. Let's do it. I'm still looking for it.
It's in Traders Lounge.
Okay.
I see it.
Like what time?
8:38. Got to scroll up.
I was literally just looking at that when he popped in.
It says,
Beat me by 2 seconds.
it says to put everybody's name on the wheel and then spin at the end of the day. So we'll have to go dig through and see who actually did it.
Yeah, I'll be able to grab it from the Traders Lounge.
He said the end of the live. That's in like an hour, right?
That would be in about an hour and 10 minutes, roughly.
There was a bunch that posted in the Apple chat done also, because he posted in there as well.
Oh, did he? Okay. So I'll have to grab it from. Make sure you comment done once you're done. Well, I see shared as well. Jesse said, please post it, but didn't scroll up far enough. Take a look. Go up further, Jesse.
Yeah, I've been up since 2 a.m. I didn't see nothing on there.
9:38 Traders Lounge.
Oh, 9:38.
Oh, okay.
Well, we got to share.
I've been up since 2 a.m. I didn't see nothing on there.
No, your mic is open again.
9:38.
Thank you.
INBS halted to the upside. INBS.
INBS. Thank you.
Irritable
Halt to the
no
upside.
bowel syndrome.
SPY momentarily stopped the bleeding. Yeah, if you're hanging out over on TikToks and YouTubes, make sure you sign up for that free Discord. Come over to the Traders Lounge and engage us to get a chance to win, spin the wheel of cash today.
All right. So where are we going to get these names?
Bruno, that was the question. Go ahead.
Inside of the Traders Lounge, scroll up, 938, spin the wheel for whoever did exactly what I said to do, exactly what we do and have told everyone on the Zoom and our live to do.
Yep.
Share the stream. Once you're done, drop a done comment. Don't just write done because I can go back and look. And just scroll up. I'm sure he's going to say it. You know, you've said it before plenty of times, what we need to do.
$50 cash at the end of the show. All right, so we're giving away $50 cash at the end of the show.
Share and like the stream.
Yep, just share it.
Social media engagement. That's what he's asking for. That's what he came on and asked on the microphone. SPY is now sitting at VWAP and the 200.
So Z06 Boom. Thank you, Z06 Boom, for commenting and sharing.
Hey, did you guys see that today is going to be a half day?
They said it was a half a day. I didn't see anything on the paper. Did Weeble say that?
Yeah, Weevil came out and said that they're going to be closed tomorrow, and then today's a half day.
New Year's Day trades executed on December settle on Friday. Fixed income will close early. Fixed income markets will close early at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, December 31st. Overnight trading resumes at 8 p.m. on January 1st. As a result, deposits and withdrawals will require one additional business day for processing. We will see. We'll see if that takes place.
Man, SPY had a serious bounce. It's headed right back to the upside, back up over the 200.
SPY just pushed above the VWAP, and is that sitting on the 200?
Well, first one, 2 minutes to the upside, still in the channel though.
Which one? I'm sorry.
Apple.
Apple. I see it. Okay. Thank you for the call out.
And 4 minutes to ship change.
Can we add mods as well, or no? Ralph said he shared it and Christina shared it.
Sweet. I'll do a wheel in a little bit. I'll go through all the names. Trent, it says, what is that? 5627 is on halt time.
Yeah, INBS unhalted.
Oh, okay.
The live has ended on TikTok. Is it normal?
I'm all over it, Nana. I'm all over it.
Okay, making sure.
I see it. I'll have it up on my screen.
Does you guys' puzzle piece not show up too, and you have to like guess where it is to drag it over?
No, that's not what it is. It's we've identified something else, and unfortunately, we will have to find another solution to it. But using Restream, it doesn't. You don't have a puzzle piece to do, and that might be it. I'm just not 100% sure because, if you're doing it through TikTok Live Studio, it doesn't have that problem. I don't know if the puzzle piece ever shows up, but Doug was successfully running TikTok Studio, So James, you're on the hot seat on Friday. Hot seat Friday, James.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna have the live on Friday.
Dang.
I need I wish we had a practice session, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
For the first time out. Would have been nice.
Yeah, it's the whole shutting it down and then coming back the next day and making sure that things they show up the way they're supposed to show up. So like I said, when I say things, I kind of have a feeling that it's gonna just be, there's gonna be a struggle because of that. When you shut it down and bring it back up, kind of resets that screen sharing.
Yeah.
So technicals for anybody else that's listening probably won't know what I'm talking about, but
James, you got me for the second time yesterday. I was thinking of a good answer too, and I was like, oh man, I knew that answer. Dadgummit.
He's the setup master with that Irish goodbye.
Oh man, that was hilarious. The first day, never mind. 2-minute shift change.
Richard hasn't been back since.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of feeling bad about it. I'm Richard in the hospital.
Yep. Gave that man whiplash. Okay, so be careful on Spy Gang because as we know, with the volume being the way it is whipsawing. It's if it's faking you out, stop trying to chase it. You do not want to get hit with death by 1,000 cuts with this thing.
I see a whole lot of chop, if you ask me.
Yep. It's exactly what's going on. We know it though. Don't be greedy. Sit on those hands. You don't want to go into the new year at a loss. So if you made some money, great.
I got into a put at the 200. It worked.
All right, Nana. Way to go.
As long as you stay under VWAP. And if you did that, as long as you stay under VWAP, you should be okay.
And Dawn, if you want to just take over the mic, I'm just going to put this wheel together, start writing these names out so that way it's not rush at the last minute.
Okay, you want me to share my screen?
SIDU on pop-up?
No, I mean,
okay.
You continue to, if you want to switch it to yours, you can switch it to yours. Yeah.
SIDU, thank you for that call out, Papa. SIDU's been running the past couple days. 1 minute till shift change, which means volume is going to come into the market. Guys, we're giving away. We're doing the Wheel of Cash. So make sure you are sharing this live out on all your social medias and go back into the Traders Lounge and comment when you have done that, and you will be added to the Wheel of Cash. Last day of the year, we're giving some money away. Let's go. Yeah, and then it's back to the downside. So, Nana, you're on point, girl. As long as it stays under VWAP, there's no need to get flustered. If the pullbacks are scaring you and making you scared, that means you are what?
In too heavy.
Too big.
There you go.
You went in too big.
You got way too much money invested in it. Small position sizes, especially today.
Come here, kitty. Let's go.
Get it, Nana. Yep, Meta's a chop zone. Take a look at that.
Tesla is on full consolidation mode.
Yep, Apple's choppy. It's up, it's down. Be careful. And now if you're a good channel trader, which we are taught how to do in here as well, then get your channels marked out and figure out where those double tops and double bottoms are happening, and you can anticipate those. And want to make sure.
Look at SPY polling.
Yeah, it's pulling.
call it at the 200.
Everything we're saying is strictly for training and educational purposes only. We're not financial or tax advisors, and we're not telling you get in anything or get out of anything. Just take a look at it. Spy, you 2-minute EWO riders. Never said to get out. Mic check. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can't hit a plug. All right.
Man, we've been looking for Mike all morning.
Hey, Mikey. He likes it.
Come on, Spike. Give me a double bottom. That would be beautiful.
Oh, it's playing with you. I think I made about $20 on Spot this morning. I left it alone. What was that?
Extremely difficult to look at this on the phone.
Oh, yeah. It's difficult to look at it on the computer. I can imagine on the phone.
The only thing I can make out is your white hat.
You can see me?
Yeah, on my phone. I'm on the live. Wanted to see what it looked like
Oh.
and participate.
Well, thank you for the participation. Do you know about what we're doing with the social media? Are you sharing? Are you on social media, Rex?
Yes, I am, but I don't use it a lot because I don't have enough time to do things that don't make a lot of difference to me.
Gotcha. Well, this morning, hopefully it will. If you share out ADT, it means a lot to us. If you share it out on your social medias, we'll put you on the wheel of cash.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the phone with this. So now, what is it that I have to do? I'm looking at you, I'm looking at the screen, and
Are you on YouTube?
I'm on YouTube, yeah.
Okay, so under the video, you should see a button. You see where it has like and dislike and the little arrow, the share button?
On what?
On YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, it shows the thumbs up, thumbs down, and then
And then it's got the share arrow. Just click.
Oh, okay, yep.
Yep,
Thumbs
just-
up, thumb down.
Yep, click the share arrow, and that will create a link. When it says copy link on the bottom, just click that, and then go to your social media platforms and drop it in your message section. Tell everybody to come watch the live over here. Tell them something nice about American Dream Trading.
The share arrow, where's that at?
Should be next to the
should be
thumbs
it.
up, thumbs down. Should be next to the thumbs.
Okay, I did the thumbs up.
Okay, now look to the right. Do you see an arrow that's curved?
Yes.
Okay, click.
I don't.
Click that. It should pull up something on the bottom of your phone screen that says copy link.
It'll be next to the gift.
Okay, I did that. I put the thumbs up, and then I clicked the arrow that goes off to the right.
And does it say copy link on your phone?
Yeah, I did copy link.
Okay, now just what social media platforms are you on?
I'm on YouTube.
Okay. Are you on X or Instagram or Facebook?
No.
Okay, you're not
Neither
on.
am I.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's where you're sharing them on those platforms. So you would take that link and put it in one of those social media platforms and tell everybody to, what you like about ADT, something nice, and tell them to come join the live and check us out. But if you don't have those, this is a mute point.
Well, I can put it in YouTube, right?
No, you're already in YouTube, Rex.
Oh, okay.
Love your
Well,
face.
If he's got his own YouTube channel, he can post it to that.
No,
Do you
I
think
don't
he
have
has a
that, but
YouTube channel,
maybe-
James? Come on.
Maybe what I'll do is I'll get on TikTok just for shits and giggles.
Okay. Yes, do that. Share it right on over there.
And for you, Donnie.
Thank you, Rexy. Love your face, bud. Appreciate you. Pebbles, do the same thing. If you have TikTok, go share it on your TikTok.
I don't have any of that stuff. It's all too complicated for me. I'm just trying to learn how to do the candles.
Okay, well, this is a big candle on IMBS. Anybody in IMBS right now?
Right here, baby.
All right, I knew you were, Hot Potato. Get it. Way to go. That is a huge candle. It is still over the 9. Nothing has told you to get out of that. IMBS for the win.
Yeah, I got a story about that one later. I can't share it now.
All right, I'm looking forward to it. We want to hear it. Nana, you said it. Long as SPY stays under VWAP, shouldn't have anything
Yeah,
to
and
worry
after
about.
that, it just respected the 9 the entire time.
Mm-hmm. Coming on that
So
mini double
it
bottom.
should be still in it.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm gonna
Since the 200.
I'm gonna disqualify people if you keep saying done, done, done inside of the Discord. Just post it once. I can read through the chat. Please don't post it twice. Thank you.
Y'all, please don't irritate Bruno. It's not gonna be pretty. Okay, and obviously on SPY, it's going to give you a little bit of an issue because it's coming to a mini double bottom. But so far, so good. This is where you build your nerves of steel, right?
Yeah, 684.50 or 40. 40. 685.40. It's gonna be your bottom.
685. Wow.
Well, that's the absolute bottom, but the mini double bottom is a 685.40.
Right. Your absolute bottom's 685, almost to the penny from
Yeah.
earlier in pre-market.
Thank you, Hudson. Hudson,
Oh,
when
look
you
at
coming
that.
to visit us on
Touch
the
it.
aftermarket?
Good bounce.
I gotta try to get in there. So I'm always at work at that time.
I mean, we haven't had a tour in a while.
I know, right? I did some fun stuff, but y'all weren't live at the time. It's like every time I try to get in there, I get called to do something, but sometimes I watch.
SOPA halted to the upside.
SOPA, hot stock pick SOPA.
I think it was yesterday, hot stock pick. I don't know if it was
Yep.
today.
Once a
It
hot
wasn't
stock,
today.
always a hot stock.
It wasn't today because
Oh my God.
Nana, your mic's open a second time.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I'd shut it off.
SOPA 6.46% is up, and so it's not on the hot stock. Most likely, it's not on the hot stocks sheet.
But thank you for that call out, Michael.
Thank you.
You were welcome.
Let's see.
Look at that candle. Wow. SPY still to the downside. Approaching a double bottom though, so be careful. Apple chat, how you guys doing with Apple with the ups and downs over there?
Just working the channel. There's no breakouts, so it's a struggle, but playing short.
Big struggle.
Only way to
All
play it.
right,
Don't.
we are on the mini double bottom right now on SPY.
Yep.
Next stop is 685. Oh, nice.
Yeah, don't get married to any one position, gang. It's not running all day for you. Get it while you can.
I'm getting chewed up over here with Apple.
Yeah, don't do that to yourself.
Unbelievable.
Don't do that to yourself. Sit on your hands. Yeah, it's getting ready to retest the 9. I got it on the 1 minute though.
The live ended on TikTok again.
Bruno, you got that? Probably.
Yep, I got it. I got it.
And SPY is bouncing as expected because it's on a double bottom. Doesn't mean it's going to go all the way back up though. So,
did I not call that thing?
You did.
Yeah, it's on the.
You called it.
Called it.
INBS unhalted, everyone. INBS unhalted.
And it's unhalted. Looks like to the downside. Be careful. It may bounce off this 9 though.
I have a question.
What's your question?
If we're looking at SPY right now and we see it just bounced on that micro double bottom.
Yes.
Let's say that, so I took my money at the 9. Now, watching this would be, I know you can't give advice, but would an option be to, if it gets past the 21, when would you long it?
Okay, so here's the thing with that. Coach, normally his end all be all is if it breaks and holds past the 21, he would be out. Right?
As far as expecting it to
bounce. If it bounced and went back the other way and breaks and holds over the 21.
Yeah.
And then you've also got VWAP right there. And I'm on the 1 minute. So
yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute.
Yeah. So you've got VWAP and the 21 sitting there together. But that's a lot of resistance. Think about it this way. That's a lot of resistance. Look at all the resistance you have to the upside. The point of least resistance is where? To the downside, right?
Right.
And the market is telling you that it's going where? What direction is it in?
Down.
Yep. So take all that into consideration. The fact that it hasn't broken and held over the 9 would let you know that right now anything to the upside is a counter trend trade. But if it does break and hold of the 21, most likely would be your first clue that it's probably going to head to the upside. But you got the 55 right there, so it's not nothing to get excited over, but that is at least the first inkling.
So with it right now hovering at the 9, kind of making its way back down to, not far from the double bottom, but you see how like the 9 is closing in on it, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Is that an indication that if it gets down there quickly, like there's a good chance, obviously with like a break and hold, that thing might flush for a little bit?
I can't, I'm not telling you what to do, but usually, yeah, if it's staying under the 9 like that and it's still under VWAP, the fact that it's still under VWAP and it's staying under the 9, it's respecting the 9, right? So if it breaks and holds over the 9, that lets you know there's something different happening. Right now, it's not doing that. But if the yellow,
also keep in mind, it's the last trading day of the year. People are taking profits on a lot of positions today.
Right.
So it's more likely to go down, but you never know, right?
Exactly. We can't call it one way or the other. We don't have a crystal ball. So just be mindful. But right now, yes, all indications would be that it's to the downside.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. A small position or paper trade it. I would definitely be in my paper trading account. And playing it out. Now, since this is a micro double bottom, it has not really broken and held this area. So you do want to be careful here.
And if you're not in now, I wouldn't get in unless it broke under 685 because there's just not enough meat on the bone there to make anything.
Yeah. Just wait for the rebound, basically, at
Wait for the
685.
rebound, yep, let it clear or go under 685 if you're not already in a position.
Yep. I sold mine because it was on that micro bottom, so now I'm waiting. See where it goes.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, can always go back in at.
Can always get back in.
I guess I picked a bad day to quit smoking.
And sniffing glue and
Sniffing
drinking.
glue.
Oh, Apple
I
is
still
just
love the extension cord in the air traffic control tower. That is still my favorite one.
And here's your test of 685 right here. Let's see if it bounces. Probably will.
Don't forget, January 22nd, start your day trading journey. Free workshop for anybody that wants to come. You can go to our website and click the link. Get signed up January 22nd at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. How to starting your day trading journey. We're going to go over the basics, how to build your confidence. And it's just really, really good for beginners that have been wanting to learn how to trade, but just thought they needed a lot of money or a lot of experience. Coach is going to be facilitating that, I believe, or Bruno, somebody. But it's going to be good. All right, so you got a candle that came in on the shoulder, the lower shoulder of that previous candle. That's a good sign to the downside. Who asked that question before about SPY?
I did.
What's your name?
Brian.
Brian, yep. That right there is letting you know, hey, here's the answer to your question, at least for now.
Yeah.
But it still has not broken significantly past that area yet. So, but it's
It might fight here for a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll see. Look, there's the bounce.
There it is. Where do we learn how to do this, y'all? Are we psychic?
That we all knew that was coming.
In a Zoom call?
Jeez, I nailed that bounce. Oh.
Nana, you're just getting wicked.
Yeah,
I'm on fire today.
Well, because it was likely going to bounce there. It was a double bottom from pre-market. Now it's just a matter of how high is it going to bounce. Is it going to go all the way back to the 9 and get
I was
rejected?
like, I'm waiting for the bounce at 685. As soon as it touched it, I got a couple of call in. Bing.
Okay, so how do we handle a double bottom? What are we trained on? How do we set ourselves up for success with this?
Straddle it.
No,
that's one thing, but you just wait to be on it. Like you have to have your order ready to go, basically, and you have to have your stop loss
where
with it right below it.
Right,
it's a high stop on those bottoms.
Yep, that way you're prepared. If it bounces, you're in it to the upside, which is most likely the higher probability is the bounce. Even though it's to the downside, the higher probability is the bounce because it's a double bottom. If it doesn't, though, you should have a stop right below that 685 level that Nana and Hudson have been calling out all morning. That way, if it continues, you're not getting smashed, right?
If you played the bounce, your stop should be above the 9 since it's been respecting the 9 all the way down.
Yep.
Which tells me if it breaks the 9, we got a chance to go upside.
Yeah.
You got it.
Hey, let's take a look at NVIDIA. It's got a pretty dang aggressive descending wedge. See, in the last about 10 minutes, it's gone up and then slammed right back down, tried to go back up, slammed right back down.
Is that NVIDIA on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All I see is flat. It's sideways.
Zoom out on it a little bit. And you see that drawn line right there? Because if you zoom out even more, we went down, or we went up overnight.
Yeah.
Way up overnight, like $1.50, I think.
Which is most likely why it dropped at the open, right? If it goes up in the pre-market, yeah.
Exactly. And then look what it's been doing the last 10 minutes.
It's just consolidating right here.
And now SPY's testing the 9.
It's taking some people's money. All right. SPY is testing the 9. So far,
it just tried, it got rejected.
Yeah, just wicked out.
Got a feeling it's going to try again, but we'll see.
Man, Apple is just treacherous today. David, how you doing? Are you in it?
Apple and said, no, thank you.
How you guys doing over there with that, David? Oh my goodness.
I mean, not to be a no-brainer, but they're all kind of doing the same thing right
Yep.
about now.
Yep. And we knew that, right?
Nobody's doing their own individual thing like usual.
Last day of the year, it's going to be choppy. People are going to take profits. People are going to be looking to buy low because things are selling off. So you're going to have some chop. And there's not a lot of institutional participation. So when you got retail traders with low volume, that gives you high volatility. You got to be very careful. Short trades, if at all. Don't get married to it. Get in, get a couple bucks, get out.
Yep. Don't try and force it.
Yep.
Don't try and cut corners going cheaper trying to make that extra dollar. It's just going to burn you alive.
I went and SPY twice, one out of the money, and made what, maybe $10, $10-20. I'm like,
that's pretty good, actually. That really is.
Yeah, just dipped in and out. Get in, get green for a few minutes, get out. I wasn't playing with it.
If you pulled $20 off of one contract today, you did good unless you caught the open.
No, it was
the
two.
open was the only way.
It was two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
$10
Oh,
and $10. Yeah. It was like $7 and like.
I was gonna say if you pulled 20 off of one on a scalp, that's pretty good today, unless it was at the open.
Yeah. No, it was two of them. I felt like a chicken, you know what, too, because I didn't stay in it to the downside, but I was not playing with it.
I'm sorry, Miss Donna. Chicken what?
Nothing.
Chicken
You're not gonna get me to say it.
Little
Man,
chicken soup.
No, you're not getting me to say it.
Disregard.
CHIT.
Oh, yeah, I like that show too.
You were not supposed to do that, hot potato.
I'm selling you out like you sold me out.
Hey, that's okay. High five. Good teammate.
And you know, I don't know how to spell.
I like the way you try to clean it up, Trent. What?
Yeah. I don't know how to spell, so you got to fix the spelling on my.
Apple,
There's
come
break of the
on.
night.
You know how I spell learning, right? LEANING.
Yeah.
Hello, Minnesota.
There's the bounce on SPY.
That's hilarious.
Hey, you know, we had a mailbox on our county road that said MALE for years, and finally one day my brother walked past it and said, "Hey, That M's supposed to be capitalized.
Wow. Apple
Put
is
up,
just making like Swiss cheese out of somebody's account right now. I just know it. Stop the bleeding. If I'm talking to you, stop the bleeding. Stop going after it if you don't know what you're doing and your timing is off. Stop. Why? Because I've been there, done that. Stop. It's not going to end well. Look, it's going back down. Stop doing that to yourself.
I like the shedding one right here on NVIDIA.
Yep.
Yeah, I think SPY just got rejected on the 21.
Yeah, as I was saying earlier, the break and hold of the 21 is really your out. It's, it might respect it. And then if it, heads back under that line, then you're going to be pissed that you got out, right? So the break and hold of the 21.
I wouldn't even think about going long unless it's the scalp, unless we broke VWAP
right
today.
Like that level of 685 up to the 21 would have been a nice quick little scalp, and then you're back out, right? When it starts rejecting.
Right, I was in and out fast.
Yeah, NVIDIA, the VWAP and that line is right there. Be nice because it bounce off of it straight down.
Apple, God, what is Apple doing? Ah, that is crazy. I'm so glad I'm not messing around with that crazy thing.
If you're in Apple, if you're on Apple right now, you have a channel. You can see it. You have a good bottom and good top.
Yep.
What's after scalper?
Well, and the contract movement has been horrible. In this amount of money,
Mm-hmm.
we would have moved probably 30% on a normal day, and I think the most I saw so far was like 7%.
Yeah, that's the only problem today. It's like as David says, numbers are just stupid.
Yeah, slow
but
volume.
beside that, put that on the side. If you're just doing share, for example, you have like that little channel, top, bottom, top,
looking at
bottom.
looking at it yesterday, David, our implied volatility is at 14% on Apple. So we were reviewing it in gold yesterday.
Share us out on all your social media platforms. And if you are a member of our free Discord, and you can sign up for that Discord by going to americandreamtrading.com, you got a surprise today. Share out our live on social media, and you will get added to our Wheel of Cash. We are spending that. We're giving away $50.
Dick is now listening to the ultimate wisdom.
Bruno, I've got to take a break for a quick second.
Yeah. Did you want to cover mentorship today? That's the next question. Is at 12 o'clock.
I can.
Do you want to think about something so we can have for our members, our paid members?
Well, you know what I have done in the morning in the past with that little thingy thing. I was thinking about maybe I could pull one of those up. Talk about mindset.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. Well, we wish Richard a speedy recovery. He's just battling some I don't want to say health issues, but it is health issues, but I don't want to make it sound like it's super severe. It's just he's just dealing with some stuff. I'm sure he'll be back here soon. So everybody keep him in your prayers.
Well, I definitely miss his banter with everybody.
Yeah, I definitely miss his recaps. But I've been in communication with them. He's getting better, so just reaching out to see how he's doing. So anyway, so Apple's inside that channel there, pre-market channel. But David has mentioned these contract prices are horrendous. So AMD, not a whole lot of goodness going on, just up, down, chop as well. Ford, doing the same. Google doing the same as well. IWM did have a nice pull to the downside. Looks like it's trying to recover back to VWAP. Netflix inside the lower part, or actually, I don't want to say lower part, inside the pre-market channel as well. NVIDIA, not a whole lot going on as well.
It's testing yesterday's highs.
Yeah, Soxel had a bigger drop as well as SPY as well. And everything I touch with SPY turns to shit. So we're gonna just stop touching SPY. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. Turn into the hot stocks, INBS. We had still holding itself up. Nicely did halt already. It looks like twice it halted. Maybe more. I'm only seeing 2 on the screen. Maybe it halted a second or a third time. ING is giving it all back right now. It's just continuing to the downside. And for the members, for our paid members, I always talk about this, see how it just failing to regain any type of momentum to the upside. So quick scalps are okay, but I wouldn't be stuck holding on to this a little any longer until I had the breaks of the structures like we always talk about.
Hey, Bruno?
Going in, yes, hot potato.
Is it too late to put ONDS on the hot stock picks?
Yeah, I'm not putting it on it. You can call it out, but I'm not going to.
Yeah,
yeah, because
up almost 12%.
Yeah, 12% ONDS.
Yeah, it's almost up 12. It's approaching 12%.
All right, ONDS.
And I'm loving it.
Not on the list. Yeah, what's the percentage? What's it up so far?
10.08. It's up $1.10.
12%. Got it. 12%.
It's up $1.10.
Yeah. So keep that on your radar. ONDS, another one. You could always call them out, but for me to always go back and just keep adding, because we'll be here all day, and then of course somebody else or another stock will start running again. So, okay, Frank, if you're on there, I see you. See your ticket. Just give me a moment to look it over, okay? Since we're still live, we got about 30 minutes left for the live.
Hey, Bruno.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have to be on the live if our name gets drawn?
Well, I'm gonna do it across the live, but I have names. Now listen, I went through each comment that was made a decision. If you end up on this list twice and you end up winning, then I mean it's not gonna be fair if your name's twice. Now I can't there's no way for me to filter out duplicates unless I'm really good at spotting duplicates. I don't see any right now, but people are posting done in all different channels. Just leave it in one channel and I'll grab it. That's the easiest way when he does those giveaways. And I've also grabbed some names from the gold chat as well. But don't be posting in the gold chat that it's done. Just post it in the traders lounge. So that way it's not in multiple locations, multiple inputs, because then it's not fair if I capture you, double. So everybody has about a 2% chance of winning. But right now I have 61 entries. So all you're doing is you're sharing out the live, liking the live on YouTube or TikTok and sharing it out, just resharing it. So if you need help doing that, I mean, right now it's probably a little late in the stage to doing it. So we got about 20, 30 minutes left. So
my question, sorry, is that because I have to leave for an appointment in about 10 minutes. Like, for example, if my name got called, but I wasn't on the live,
if your name got called, I got you. Don't worry about it. But just the only thing is you'll have to go back and watch the live on YouTube and see if your name was drawn. But I'll tag whoever. Now, if these are all Discord names, which they are, I'll open up a ticket and I'll put you in the ticket if you end up winning.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, you got it.
I didn't catch that earlier, so I just did it, Bruno. Shared the TikTok live.
But yeah, you were. Hold on.
I didn't catch it earlier. I got on late today.
But you were on the list already. So.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Same thing, Bruno. I gotta leave earlier, so because I gotta do a follow-up visit to the vet. So.
Your name is on the list, Nana.
Thank you.
Hey, Bruno, I need my house paid off. Can you take care of that for me too?
Yeah, sure. Let me go ahead and trade SPY.
Your name's on the list, he said.
you owe about 300,000. After I'm done trading SPY, you'll owe about 500,000. Don't worry.
Dude.
That was a knock on myself. This trading
horrible
live,
economics.
Yeah, trading live is a different beast, man. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Man, I'm trying so hard not to get excited over here on NVIDIA to the upside.
No, not yet. Not yet. NVIDIA is still inside of this. Yeah.
Gotta wait.
I wouldn't get too excited yet. I mean, looking at it, no problem. But now we're still below VWAP, and it failed to get back above VWAP. So
Right. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. And the EWO is not growing. It's just kind of there.
yeah, Tesla is absolutely flat, flat like a pancake, like a smoke in a pancake.
Yeah, Tesla is a no-go zone.
Oh, somebody's in the medical room. You better, you, oh, that was hilarious. You better watch that patient. Don't be watching your stocks. Oh, that was hilarious. Everybody
So
watching
triple
that.
bottom from yesterday's low.
Let's see here. Oh, was that open? Open making a little run?
Oh boy, look at that.
And it pulled back. Yeah, no, yeah, it's still teetering.
It's still got a little meat, but
Little meat on the bone. INBS, what was I saying before? Yeah, I was talking about, they might not give it all back at once, but watch these patterns, right? So INBS is now, you see how I just opened that up a little bit? And it's the same, like I always talk about. You see this, and it's like, great, fantastic. But then it's like, and now it's like lower and lower. And now if it doesn't break, here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So those are 3 that you can identify quick and easy. But now you got your indicators, right? Losing steam, losing momentum. So this might be scalp opportunities, no problem. But if it just keeps going lower and lower and lower, and you're holding on, thinking that it's going to go new high of day, and at least in the short term, that's not what it's showing you, right? I mean, it did have a nice little run up, but it just keeps, bouncing, kind of like a slinky going down a flight of stairs. The slinky just keeps going and, dipping lower and lower and lower. But it's still finding support down here. But, I would say that right there would have been support, and it has broken that support. Now let's see if it can hold it. And then you're looking for the next support area, which is down below it. You could probably set it down here at 751. And there's the drop. See how it starts to get weaker and weaker and weaker. And eventually they're like, everybody's given up, or at least they give up for the short term of things. And then it has these drops because buyers are no longer interested in propping it up. So we got one minor level at 773, but it's nothing to kind of rave about. On the L2, we can match that data. And we could see what now 772 just disappeared. See, they keep changing all over the place. 773, 770. So they're being cautious too. They're not trying to get caught up in that. If it does come down there and they get filled in, 773 and 770 on INBS. Looking across the board, ESHA, ANGH starting to show a little bit of life. You see what we talk about just like now. Kind of got lower and lower and lower, but now it's starting to kind of like come back, and you have already one here, and then another one should be around this area here. So we need to see that break, but you're below VWAP, and also you don't see a whole lot of movement on the L2 and the price. So until volume comes back in, kind of try to drive this back up, I would probably stay away from this one because that candle isn't even moving. And there's a pull on ESHA. See, now what do we see on the L2 to kind of help identify is like how our buyers, it just halted to the downside. But before, you see how all of this data was disappearing, and then you had just a small little list of buyers. So that's one way to identify that at this specific moment, buyers are no longer interested in stepping in and buying it, right? But that could change in the blink of an eye. So, but now it just halted to the downside. Once it unhalts, this is it's a little bit tougher to read when it does halt, but you have one level at 22 price action. So that's about 95 cents away, but we got to wait for it to unhalt to see how that 22 plays out. So that's where 22 is at. And there's a big bulk, and you can identify the big areas with the shaded area straight across, 32.63 at $22. But once we unhalt, and we'll keep this up on the screen, and we'll see how well that 22 holds up once this thing unhalts. Okay. And I'm just going to flip back over here. Oh, live just ended on TikTok. It's like I'm not even saying anything drastic, but there's no puzzle piece to complete, but I'll flip it back on. There's that volume INBS. You see that candle kind of violently, I would say violently, that's a violent candle. You see this one right here? But we've seen this story repeat itself once, twice. That's a much bigger candle, but like we got to get this back in the right direction, back above that previous support area, and then hold above that. And we've already identified we had one here, and then one here. So I wouldn't really be touching it unless it's a scalp. I wouldn't touch this until 850, and then slightly above that as well. Above 850, hold on a second. Put it right back above here, and then there's another one right at the top here, this candle where it halted, 881. So those are my levels that I would map out. And don't jump the gun because you got your 9, you need your 21 like this, 9, 21, but that still hasn't crossed over yet. So this might be another, it might be another whoop, up and like that. So you get it. It's like kind of like the wave effect, the slinky effect. And hopefully it breaks it, but being cautious. But that candle move, I like the jump in. I know there's volume there. And going back over here to ESHA, see how that's doing. And we're back. Apologize all TikTok users out there. We have to keep resetting our TikTok. Keeps dropping off. And there we go. We're back. Don't forget, again, as a reminder and observance of New Year's Day, trading hours, futures, actually that's futures products have changed. Please note the intraday margin will be unavailable on this day. And then in observance of the 31st, which is New Year's Eve, they're saying fixed income markets will close early at 2 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday. And then overnight trading resumes at 8 p.m. on the first New Year's Day. As a result, deposit and withdrawals will require one additional business day for processing. So don't use up all your buying power. What's up, Dawn? You stretch those legs? Yeah, I see you. I see you. I got my tea. I had been drinking tea because of all the talking. Before I lose my voice. Ew. 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 Reading 27 Rutter on YouTube. Good to see you. Appreciate your participation today, as always. I see you here constantly. Reading, are you a member? Are you a member of ADT? Or are you just like hanging out on the YouTubes?
He actually just signed up as a free member yesterday, Bruno.
Did he?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, the big cheese is away. I think I'm going to play.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun.
Reading
Guess the number between 1 and
Oh, there's the poll. There's the poll ESHA on
yes,
the
probably
unhalt.
too.
Yep, unhalt. So 22, is it holding? Kind of dipped below it, but let's see if it holds. Now we got one major one at 20, which is further down. but the 22 is where we drew our line in the sand. 20 is the one below it. Reading 27 rudder, let me know, because I see you on YouTube.
See how
Jesse
Spy
said,
tried to fake you out right there to the downside?
yeah, Jesse said
It's trying.
Apple broke out. To the downside.
I don't know if I'd call that a breakout. It's still sitting on a double bottom.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I said trying is the word.
Yeah, I'm just repeating what Jesse said here. Break. Let's see if we get a hold now.
It's still in the channel.
Tesla, still inside doing nothing. Spy, same thing. Just sitting here. Just sitting here.
Spy just made a new low.
Spy new low, thank you.
Apple new low.
What was it?
Apple.
Apple. Yeah. Just be careful here because
I was gonna say, be careful because Spy is still on that range, that double bottom range.
It bounced
It
pretty
hasn't
hard
broken
here.
held.
Yeah, it bounced pretty hard here at the open on
Yeah.
Apple. So just
And
watch
look, as I say that, it's starting to bounce up. Just be careful right there.
It needs to go under 685.75 to look really nice to the downside.
Yeah, and then a candle below it.
Yeah.
It's tweetering right now.
All right, last chance for the wheel. I'm going to cut that off here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Traders Lounge only, please. Don't post it anywhere else so I can keep track of it. Even if you share the live, I'll still count you in. So last person that did it, Hudson was already on the list. We have Eagle 46. Let me make sure that's not a duplicate post.
Hey, Bruno, INBS hitting $9.
INBS. Okay, thank you. And there's that break, right?
Yep.
That's good. Yep. There we go. First one,
And I'm
second
out.
one, third one. So these are things you try to anticipate. I know it's not going to always play out that way. I get it.
Sorry, Bruno. I sent a link to a friend of mine. He
That's
said
fine.
that TikTok is off. Is ended.
It's on right now, but it kept dropping in and out. So
Okay.
we've been dealing with that for the last couple of days. So
Spy below 684.70.
Apple broke.
thank you. Thank you. Appreciate the engagement and the call outs.
Didn't break the channel yet on Apple.
Remember that confirmation to the downside, he had it set at 272, right?
Right.
So that was a confirmation.
Just touched it right now, so let's see.
All right. Eagle 46 added to the list. Studson, Hudson, I already got you. Studson, and then Sue C. Let me make sure that's not a duplicate as well. That is not a duplicate. Sue, I got you. And then big B. Make sure that's not a duplicate as well. I got you.
I missed it. What are y'all giving away?
Just sharing out the live from TikTok, but I mean the live's almost over, so you do it now. I'm gonna cut it off this last minute. Last minute, I'm gonna shut it down.
What are you giving?
We're giving away cash. Yeah, we're giving away a little bit of cash here. Coach is giving away for sharing out the live. Pilot dog, I got you. Danny boy, I got you. Make sure those are not duplicates as well. All right.
$172, yeah. It's a gold level too on Apple. Correction, 272. I know I say 172.
Yeah.
Did it pick a direction?
I don't think so.
Or is it still struggling to really?
It's still in the
Yeah.
panel. It doesn't
Like
do-
how much? Yeah, even if you got this, right? And or even if you were a little impatient, how much can you possibly squeeze out of that run? You know? Well, and I'm just saying like maybe 10, 20 contracts.
Not
It's
much.
not gonna be worthwhile. The risk is probably even amplified 10 times more if there isn't a nice straight pull back down or a straight short
Exactly.
pull. Yeah. So
From the 2-minute EWO entry, it's about 14%.
2
There you
minutes.
go.
So I thought you were in the channel, David. So you were not in that channel on the top?
I played it underneath VWAP, and then I got in. I think I actually got in on the first 2-minute EWO because we were underneath all the EMAs.
Oh, okay. Because when you say the channel, I started trading it. I'm up 44%.
Okay,
New
so
low.
yeah, I did it under 2.7. I think it was right when we were testing right at the 200. So right after we got under the 200 is when I got in this position.
Oh, okay. So I did it wrong
And
then.
I'm doing the 275s.
Yeah, Brent. Post. I just shared the live on YouTube.
Who is that? What was your Discord name?
Ginger.
What is it? Ginger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I did the 272.5. So
Yeah.
yeah, I guess sorry, David. I should have waited for the break, but I thought you were trading the channel. So
Pulling back again, Apple.
yeah.
So
One
go ahead.
sorry.
Go ahead.
Yeah, when I shared the live on TikTok, my friend said every time you click on coach, some other guy came up.
Yeah, because it keeps dropping out. So when it drops
Oh,
out, it's going to go to the next available stream that's out there, right? So whatever he's used to watching, it'll pop up his algorithm. It'll pop up somebody else that he's watched before.
okay.
So until and then now it's up and running, but I'm sure it's going to shut down here in a minute. And there's the poll that
Hello,
we're talking
Apple.
about. Yep, there's
Spice
the poll that
pulling
you
big
look for.
time.
Yep, there's the poll you're looking for right there.
It's still buffering, I guess. When you get a chance to, I mean, you say you're gonna edit anyway, so.
Yeah, I have it up live right now, so I don't know what he's looking at or what you're seeing, but right now I can see it. It's live. It's still playing.
Yeah, it's buffering on my end. Showed 254 viewers. It's still buffering.
Yeah, then I don't know, Jesse. I'm not
No,
on
it's
that
all right.
side.
I mean, I've shared it already. I just wanted to make sure.
There. I just posted a screenshot. 39 viewers.
39?
Yep, 39 viewers. I just posted in the Zoom chat.
Yeah, mine say 254.
Yeah, then that might not be Coach.
Oh,
sorry, I'm just being realistic. I mean, might not be Coach's TikTok because we got 39 viewers.
Oh,
Everybody misses that loud and crazy voice. So Spy pulling back. Nice.
Yeah, you're coming to some support here at 684.15-ish.
Correct.
You got to go back a little bit, Bruno, if you're looking for it.
I didn't even go back and look.
Yeah, I have the same level too. You're good.
I think I'm gonna have to get rid of some of these lines.
Yeah, my chart does that too. I'm like, damn, I got to delete lines every now and then. All right, people. Well, I have to go to work. So happy New Year to all of y'all. Dawn, I'm going to make it part of my New Year's resolution. I'm going to try to come on the, not just watch, but try to come on the aftermarket show more often for you. I'll make that one of the New Year's resolutions because I miss you guys a lot. I love hanging out with you guys. So happy New Year's to everybody. I got to go to work till 6:30.
See ya.
Happy New Year.
I wanted to show
Happy New Year.
something on Spy. So when he hit the double bottom earlier and kind of rebounded, when he rebounded and never broke the 9. So when he retest immediately, and when he retest that, what I realized is like, oh, we're not gonna play call anymore, even on the rebound or anything. So I waited just for the confirmation under 685. And as soon as it went under, I went into a put and just let it go. And ta-da! Because it went back so fast into that, it rebounded a little bit, touched the 9, and immediately went back down. I was like, this is a good indication that it's weak. There's no spring to the upside. So I just stay in the put. Just wanted to, yep.
Right, Dawn. It's wheel spin
To
time.
comparison to the first time it touched it, where they not only touched the 9 but passed the 9 and keep on going. So big difference.
All right, Dawn. It's wheel spin time. It's that time.
I know I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win.
Shit, I need the money.
All right. Let's go ahead and shuffle these names up. The first person to shout out. Hold on, correction. Let me just do this. First, well, okay, from number 1 to 10, somebody shout out a number from 1 to 10.
7.
You said 10?
7. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Good luck to the winner. It's okay if you're not here, but if you're over on TikTok and YouTube and all the things, I would ask you to open up a ticket for me, please. Mark P66. All right, Mark P, if you're here. If you're not, I'll announce the winner here shortly. I'll put it in the Discord in the Traders Lounge. Open up a ticket if you are here.
All right, congratulations, Mark P. Way to go.
Nice. Way to go, Mark.
Thank you for sharing it out on social media. And everybody, thank you for sharing it out on social media. We appreciate that.
All right, with that being said, Dawn, you wanna sign off and give everybody their goodbyes?
Yep. Everybody have a safe and happy new year. Don't take any wood nickels. Don't go out if you're living in a dangerous area, but get your trading plan ready for the year. We're going to talk about that in the mentorship and the aftermarket tonight. looking forward to 2025. Don't forget, we are doing the workshop for new traders called Start Your Day Trading Journey. It's January 22nd, and it is at 4 p.m. All you have to do is go to americandreamtrading.com to do that. And any specials, Bruno? Or
We have Diamond Lifetime membership, 5,000 right now.
Oh.
And I've talked it over with Coach. I don't think you're going to see it any cheaper than that.
There you go.
So,
And then
I
don't
think
forget
he's not gonna give away at a discount as much as he has before. I don't think it's gonna happen anymore.
And we're still doing the get the VIP and get the VIP Gold your first year
Correct.
for free, and
Yep.
Futures as well. Get VIP Futures your first year for free if you get the Futures membership. David, did I hear you?
Correct.
Yeah, I was gonna say, did you delete the wheel already, or you still got everybody's name on it?
Still got it. Yeah. Shit. Hold on a second. Yeah, I still got it.
Do you want to do a one-on-one?
Sure. You want to do a one-on-one?
Okay.
Yeah.
Go, David. He
All
is
right.
feeling.
I thought you were gonna throw some cash in there,
David's
but
still thinking
I know,
we're on
right?
Christmas.
I thought he was gonna throw some cash, but I guess a one-on-one can
It's
unlock
okay.
more.
He's just trying to get Christmas to stay longer.
All right, we'll do it.
Thank you, David.
We still live? Yeah, we
You're
still.
awesome, David.
Yes, we are.
I removed.
Thank you, David.
All right.
Attaboy, David.
Anybody else want to donate some cash and time and one-on-ones? All right, here we go. Somebody pick a number from 1 to 10.
7.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Good luck to the winner. This is a one-on-one with David. 1 hour session. Results not guaranteed. Thank you. KB is the winner.
Woo! Way to go, KB. Congratulations.
Congrats.
All right, I'm gonna lower this. Actually, you know what? I haven't done something nice to people lately. Since everybody thinks I'm a Grinch. $50 to the winner from me. All right.
Oh,
here we
look
go.
at that.
I removed it. Hold on. Let me post this one. Congratulations. for
Bruno,
the
I think you're a
one-on-one-
swell fella. I don't care what they say.
One-on-one with David. Congratulations on the one-on-one with David. One-on-one with David. Let me post this here real quick. KB. This multitasking stuff is bullshit. All right, here we go. All right, $50. Somebody pick a number from 1 to 10.
4.
4. Somebody said 4. 1, 2,
I said
3.
10. Oh my god.
No, somebody said 4. I heard 4. That's all I heard. I heard 4. I don't know what anybody else said, but I heard 4. Okay.
Yeah, you're in the Grinch list.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. If you hit this one, I'm gonna send you $1. How about that? How's that for a Grinch?
That sounds nice.
Not nice. Congratulations to the winner. Oh, look at that. Wolf of 4.
Hey, spin it harder.
What did he do? 50? He did 50, right? I make sure he didn't do like 1,000 or something like that. $50. Okay. I'm about to say, like, all right, listen, I gotta pay rent. You know what I mean? I gotta pay rent. All right. Congratulations, Wolf. Open up a ticket if you're listening. Congratulations.
Wolfie boy.
Wolf.
Congratulations to Wolf. Congratulations to all our winners today. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a safe and new year. Bruno, you got anything else before we dip out?
No, that's it. Come join us. I know the energy seems low, but that's just how we are sometimes if we're trying to concentrate on stuff. But
yeah,
I promise you there's a lot more to learn here. It's not just trading and getting into trades. It's also just learning consistency on trading.
Absolutely.
I could speak for some of our successful members and moderators that have found consistency over the last 3.5 years, almost, right? 3.5 years. So come join us. Come join us today. AmericanDreamTrading.com.